Morning, fans. Tonight we're going to draw one of my favorite dinosaurs. One of my top 10 favorites that I've looked up to when I was a kid. Tonight we're going to draw a Carcharodontosaurus. One of the reasons that I like him is that his skull design is very interesting. Alright, so here are the claws. Here is the claws here. Here's the foot. Now let's draw his tail. Now for his other foot. And finished. There he is. That's Carcharodontosaurus. I haven't seen this guy since I saw Jurassic Warpath, an old video game. Well, I'm just glad that I finally got to include him on my series. Just one of the best dinosaurs I've ever met. And I'm sure you guys can consider this one as one of your favorites as well. Dinosaurs have been around since ancient times. I saw Ancient Aliens, and they had dinosaurs on it. Anyway, that is how you draw a Carcharodontosaurus. And I'll draw more dinosaurs like this soon. Good night.